Hi all, I'm Rachana. Today let's look into Mule4 application deployment with Docker. Before jumping into demo, let's see the few introduction. A Docker is nothing but an open source containerized platform that is used for deploying, developing, and managing the applications in a lightweight virtualized environment that are called as containers. It is mainly used for software development platform for developing the distributed applications that work efficiently in different environments. What are containers? Containers are nothing but the lightweight virtualized runtime environments that is used for running applications. Each container represents a package of software that contains codes, tools, runtimes, libraries, etc. that is required for running a specific application, and they are independent and isolated from the host and other instances running on the host. Now let's see what is Docker image. Docker image is nothing but an immutable file that contains code, libraries, dependencies, etc. and that is needed for an application. Due to their read-only quality, these images are sometimes referred to as a snapshot. They represent an application and its virtual environment at specific point in time. This consistency is one of the great feature of the Docker. It allows the developers to test and experiment software in stable environment or the stable condition. Okay. So containers are based on the Docker image that we can build a container by running an image on the Docker image. This is how the video the picture represents the Docker container running on an image that is on the Docker engine. Okay, now let's see what is main usage of Docker. Docker is mainly used for running multiple workloads on fewer resources, isolating and segregating the applications, standardizing environments to ensure consistency across the releases cycles, and developing highly portable workloads that can run on multiple cloud platforms. Additional to this, a cost effective alternative to an virtual machine is provided by the Docker. A version control system is provided for an application. Now, let us see how we can download the Docker to our local system and work on it. Okay. I'll provide the link in the description box so that you can download the image. I have By clicking on this, you can download the Docker for the desktop. I have already downloaded. Once you download, you can execute it, and this is how your Docker initially looks like, which does not contain any container or anything. Once this is installed, we can go ahead and use the Docker. That's all for this video. In the next video, let's explore more on Docker with Mule4. Thank you all.